Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to install Java 17 for Minecraft on your Windows computer, although it works for both Linux and Mac. And I'm doing this because I found out when I was looking it up that Java 17 is the recommended version for Minecraft versions 1.18 and up, although I've been running Java 8 on 1.20 just fine, so I'm not sure if it's super required, but it's recommended. So I'm going to link this in the video description, but if you go to Oracle's website, the people who make Java, and find their download sections, you'll find Java 17 down here, and then they've got three different tabs: Linux, Mac, or Windows. Just go to the Windows tab, and then click on the x64 installer here in the middle. That is the installer, and it ends in a .exe. Just go ahead and click on that and download it to whatever folder you want to put it in. And then you can grab that. We'll just go over and install that from the folder I put it in. Just give that a quick double click. And then what should pop up is a little pop-up bubble that says, hey, do you want to install this? It needs administrator permission. You can say yes. And then it'll return back to this screen. And then we'll just walk through the installer. It looks like it doesn't want to do anything particularly special. It's not trying to install any bloatware, which is nice because back in the day, Java used to try to install like Norton Antivirus or McAfee, both of which I'm not a fan of. And then boom, we're done. So that's installed after we do that. And now if we do things like install or run different mods that require Java, that should work just fine. In fact, let's make sure by going... In fact, I just installed Optifine, so let's use Optifine to make sure that my Java is still detecting and associating jar files with Java. It looks like it is, so that's good. Sometimes when you mess around with Java files and updating your Java between bigger versions, occasionally that will make your jar files not be associated with Java anymore. To fix that, all you have to do is find your jar file, right-click it, and go open with, and then you can choose another program. And then it should allow you through here to be like, I want to use Java to open this program, and I can select always use this program to open up jar files, and you can click OK. Otherwise, if you're having trouble and it's still not like associating jar files with Java, there is actually an old program that I don't think this thing's been updated since 2019. Yeah, it's still knocking around at 2019. But there's a guy here, Johan N. Lufman, who's created a fix that reassociates jar files with the jar program on Windows. So if you go to this website, I'll put a link in the video description. You can go down here and click on this button here that says download from the author's website. You can download the jarfix.exe, run that program, and it should fix the problem of Windows not associating your jar files with the right program. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how you update to Java 17. If you're like me and you're still using 8, which it says it's not supposed to run, like newer versions of Minecraft aren't supposed to run with old versions, but clearly they do. So this will help keep things running smooth, and it'll hopefully optimize things if you've been experiencing lag inside of Minecraft. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. Links are in the video description, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.